My name is Dympna. I'm a senior lecturer in the School of Nursing and Midwifery, and I just want to tell you about a charitable organisation that we've set up in the school called Supporting Nurses Overseas, or SNO for short. We set up this charity in 2003 to support our students who are undertaking placements in Africa. And every year we actually have fundraising events to generate monies for sustainable projects in these sites in Africa. The fundraising events have been things like race nights, we've done a 1,000-kilometre cycle, bagpacking, coffee mornings, and in that way we generate the funds. In deciding how the funds are used, we work in partnership with the Service Learning Placements, and they identify projects where they see the greatest need, and with them we decide how best the monies should be used. Things that we have funded are, for example, hospital supplies, wound dressings. We have solar panels to actually allow operations to take place, generators to keep electricity going overnight so that actually patients in the hospital can actually see rather than having to use torches, which they would have done in the past. Health promotion initiatives, and including the purchase of mosquito nets and educating people on the use of mosquito nets, and educating nurses and in-service training programs. They're just some of the initiatives that we've supported over the years. And it has been very successful for both the partners in Africa and for ourselves. Our students get an awful lot out of actually going to these placement sites, and they tell us when they come back that they're much more independent, that they are much more appreciative of what we have here in Ireland, and they also begin to understand the impact that culture has on health and how it's really important to holistically look at the patient and take into context their ethnic background and their cultural beliefs and how they actually impact on the care that they expect to receive and on the care that we should actually as nurses be delivering. So from that point of view, they get a lot out of the experience, and we then have a reciprocal relationship where we actually give something back in the form of either fundraising and building capacity on sustainable projects, or we actually give time and energies back to help them to educate. So for example, myself and the head of school, Professor Cathy Murphy, have gone to Africa, and we've actually done a needs analysis in some of the sites. Our sites include Zambia, Tanzania, Kenya, Ghana, and this summer, in fact, we're actually planning on going to Ghana and to Tanzania. And in particular in Tanzania, we're going to look at helping them to develop a school of nurse education and how to go about that and the types of programs. So we're very excited about that and going out to help them. On behalf of the School of Nursing and Midwifery, I'd really like to encourage you to take this module. It has a real impact on your own personal development and on your education, and it has a significant impact and contribution as well to the sites that we actually support. So I can't but say really encourage you to take this module.